What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing for you the Lucky 13 matte pomade, and according to the brand, who only provides a few pieces of info on their site, this is an unorthodox water-based pomade that offers a high hold and a matte finish. They also say it comes in a 4-ounce jar and sells for $15 US. Now, the scent featured here is described by the brand as a sweet tobacco mixed with spicy vanilla, and I'll be honest with you, it's not my favorite scent. I get more of the vanilla on it than anything else, and it's just not my bag, but I will say it's not too strong in the hair, so I didn't have to deal with it all day. Looking inside the jar here now, we've got a pretty creamy product. It's not lotion-like where it's moving around or pouring out the jar, but it's nice and creamy in the hand. And I noted at this stage there's not a lot of tack or stickiness here, so as usual we will have to use it to see where that comes into play, which we will do now. I'll be demonstrating this product today on dry hair that's been cleaned and blow-dried with no added tonics, pre-stylers, or enhancers of any kind, and you can see my hair is looking a bit odd. I did get it cut a little shorter than we probably should have, so some areas are giving me some trouble, but that also presents us with the opportunity to see how well this product works, and adding in the first scoop, we can see it instantly just goes to work. The hold really comes into play as it comes in contact with the hair, but that slickness is still front and center. You can actually see it with that bit of shine that it has there, especially in the front. It's not super tacky or anything like that, but I can tell it's got some stickiness coming out within the hair as it makes contact with it and uses it to provide some of that hold. Overall, it's super easy to style with though, basically doing all the work itself. I'm just kind of directing traffic at this point. Even using a comb is super easy. You can see I'm getting some good volume, and a shape is really coming together fairly quickly and easily too, bringing us to this final result of the test. Now let's check in at that same style 8 hours in for end of day results. I think what we got here is actually something that's quite nice. It's got a good natural to matte finish. It's obvious that the product shined lifted out of there, so it's got a deeper finish, but the biggest thing here is it's 8 hours into the day and the hold is doing really well. The shape is there, the style is holding up, and I think overall these results are very solid. For the washout now on this one, I found that it was just a simple water rinse out. Nothing left in there after rinsing it out with just water, no issues, nothing really else to report there. Bringing it all together now on this product, I think we've got a pretty cool little pomade here. I honestly think it's a pretty cool little pomade. I think it actually functions kind of like a Trojan horse, which is a cool method to use as a hair product. And what I mean by that is it uses its slickness and its creaminess as a method of getting into the hair and allowing for that ease of use and effortless styling, and then it lifts out. It kind of evaporates some of the shine, leaving a natural to matte finish. You know, it's not deep, of course. It's not like a deep textured matte finish, but it is in that realm. It's in the realm of natural to matte, so it goes through that shift to change things up once it's established in the hair, and then it does so while also holding the style in fairly well, as we saw in the endurance test. For me, the hold would be probably best described as a higher end of medium, but I do think it would be really good for all hair types, being as this one was super easy to use, very slick. In my opinion, I think it would be great for all hair types, and I also think that this one could be pretty easily overlooked, but if given the chance, it might end up pleasing you more than a product that might be more popular with other people. As usual though, the final verdict is up to you, and if you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description down below for you to check out if you're interested. That is it though for this one. As usual, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the product and what I presented here today in this video, so let me know what you think in the comment section there, and I'll of course check it out. While you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me and turn on that bell icon so you can be notified when the next review is posted. And until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.